Guys, so today we're doing an unboxing video. I know y'all probably wondering where I've been, but it's so hard. But I'm back, and I got a lot of stuff. But first, this is what we're gonna start with. So, I finally got a 30-pound bucket of base. We already started wholesale, and I really needed some new lip gloss because this 12-pound base is almost empty. So this is a big upgrade, major accomplishment. So next thing we got is from Amazon. Oh, syringes. Definitely need these if you're running a lip gloss business. What's next? What's this? Oh, we got some lavender because we're dropping a flower collection for the lip glosses. So be on the lookout for that. It might be out already by the time I edit this because I know it will take a long time. But buy it. Disposable lip ones because a lot of people ask for swatches, and this is the easiest thing to use to make swatches on my arm and the lips. Jasmine flower buds for the flower collection. And we also got roses, lavender, and cornflower petals. And we also got tubes for wholesale. You can get your squeeze tube wholesale and your pouches from Sleek and Slave. Oh, these aren't so empty. They're filled with gloss. And then we have our pouches. We got 8-ounce pouches and 16-ounce pouches for wholesale. And you can choose up to 5 colors for the squeeze tubes, and any color is available for the pouches. Oh, I got so much stuff. And then this is just a box of some of our wand tubes. purple. And yeah, everything else was open already or is not here yet, so be on the lookout for another inventory video. But thanks for watching.